I'm going to share my experience about what are the default database in MongoDB and what is the objective of creating the default database in MongoDB by MongoDB engine. I said the default database. Yes, it's a default database. Means it's a reserved database. MongoDB engine create 3 default database on installation of MongoDB. It means it has some purpose. So in this video, I'll explain about the default database and the user created database. The default database reserved by MongoDB engine, and the user created database is controlled by the user, the local, admin, and config. There are 3 default database. Database is what? A collection of collections, or you can say the set of collections or a group of collections in a one database. In one instance of MongoDB, there can be multiple databases. And the one database, there can be a multiple collections. And the one collection, there can be multiple documents. And in the one document, there can be multiple key value pair data. There is no difference between the MongoDB database and the relational database. In terms of terminology, in both places, it's known as database. So as we know, any application must connect one database at least. It can be relational, it can be NoSQL, it can be MongoDB, whatever. But it can connect at least one database if it is data driven. However, it can connect multiple databases. There is no limit of connection of database. Now I'm coming to the naming convention of MongoDB database. So the name of the database is always a straightforward UTF-8 character of 64 bytes. It cannot be empty. DB name are case insensitive. In the database name, none of the character can be found. You can see whenever you provide the name of the database, always stick with the ASCII character of alphanumeric value. It means the length of the database name is 64 byte only. I mean less than the 64 bytes. So first of all, local database. What is the purpose of local database? So at least one database, one document, whenever we install any MongoDB service on any particular node. This database is used to store the metadata of applications, metadata of replication process, and few another things. This local database will not be the part of replication process, meaning that whenever we put any node under the replication, so whenever any data inside the user-defined database will be added, it will be replicated from primary to secondary. But whatever data inside the local database, it will not replicate from primary to secondary. So every node having their own set of database, having their own set of value in MongoDB local database. So one collection in the local database is a startup_log. You can find this is a capped collection. On a startup, each MongoDB instance, MongoDB engine insert a document into the startup_log collection under the local database. This information will be helpful for diagnostic purpose. This collection, a startup log, is a capped collection. This information stored in the local collection will be useful at the time when you do the primary diagnostic. We cannot read or write in the local database. What is the purpose of admin database? The admin database is basically used for authentication and authorization of MongoDB user. Whenever we create a MongoDB user, and that will be used in any application. So whenever the application connect from MongoDB database, on that point of time, MongoDB database check whether the user is authentic, user is listed in the MongoDB admin database or not. Or user can be in the respective database. So the admin database is used for authentication and authorization and some administrative purpose also. MongoDB will not restrict whether you enable authentication and authorization or not. However, it's always preferable to enable authentication and authorization in MongoDB. It's always preferable to enable authentication on production at least. In local, you can enable or not enable, it's hardly matter. Now, what is the purpose of config database? The config database is used for storing the information of metadata of sharding. So whenever you do sharding on your cluster, on that point of time, the config database comes into the picture. If you have a standalone database, then this config database will not be used. If you have cluster in a replication, then this config server will not be used. This will be used for only the sharding purpose. Now let us go to demonstrate the list of this database. Now let me connect MongoDB database by using Mongo shell. Now the database is connected. It means the local database is connected to DBS. So you can see only 3 database: admin, config and local under this instance. Now let me go and check one by one. Use local to collections. So you can find only one collection under this. So let me check db dot. Let me find what is the data stored in a startup log. So you can find few information stored when the MongoDB instances. So you can see db.startup_log.find.pretty. So pretty is a function which print the information of JSON, which print the JSON in formatted way. You can find the host name, the start time. The start time is what? It's this one. The config data. So database is installed under this location, and the config file is reside in this location under the bin directory. Use admin, and you can check what are the collection stored inside the admin database. So see, only system.version is there. So you can find db.system.version.find pretty. You can find few information under this collection. Similarly, you can find use config and show collections. Only one collection as of now under the config database, that is system.json. So let me check what is the data stored in this collection. System.jsons.find. It is used for formatted input. Let us see. So there are some information stored inside this. In nutshell, local database is used for storing the metadata of local instances and few information for the replication. Admin is used for the security, for authentication and authorization purpose, and some administration of the user, and for the administrative purpose. And config for storing the metadata of sharding cluster. Thank you.